Hello, lovely ones. How is everyone? I'm also blessed. Happy we've met again. You meet your presenter, Mrs. Gatti, to take you through some activities. Children, are you ready? I'm also ready. Now, who can remind us? Let's remind ourselves of what we did the previous day we met. We started counting. We counted objects. And what else? We matched the objects in one set to the members of the other set. And what did we do again? We described the set using we described the set by more than. Okay, now let's go to the chart and see what we did the previous day. Let's count our cups and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 cups here. And what are these? Spoons. Let's look at the spoons. How many spoons do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have our set A and then B. We're going to match the members, a cup to a spoon. Cup, spoon. Yes, now who can describe this for me? Yes. The cups are more than. Good. The cups are more than the spoons. Good. The cups are more than the spoons. So I gave you homework that when you go home, check the spoons and the forks. Your spoons, when you had more spoons than forks. Good. You also had more forks. Good. You have done well. Now for today, we are still going to compare sets. And by the time we finish, we should be able to see which set has smaller members. Which set has smaller members. And then we know how to compare using less than. When we have finished comparing, we know how to use less than. Are you okay? Now look on your tables. On your tables, what do you find? Pegs. Good. We have pegs. We have the pink one, the yellow, and then the blue. Now, let's count the blue pegs. Let's count the blue pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, count 5 of the pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we okay? Now we are going to match the blue pegs to the pink pegs and then describe the blue pegs with the pink pegs. Now this blue peg moves with this one, a pink one. Another blue, pink. Another blue, pink. Now we take this blue, this pink, and the blue that way. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what can you say about the blue pegs to the pink pegs? One pink peg didn't get a blue peg. Good. One pink peg didn't get a blue peg. So it means the blue pegs are what? The blue pegs. They are small. Good. You say they are small. The blue pegs are small. Okay. Now we say the blue pegs are less than the pink pegs. Let's say that the blue pegs are less than the pink pegs. Now let's count the blue pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the pink pegs are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the blue pegs are less the blue pegs these are the blue pegs. Have you seen that? The blue pegs are less than the blue pegs are less the blue pegs are less than the pink pegs. Are you okay? Now, on your table, count 10. Count 10 pegs. Okay. Now, the next set, count 12. Count 12. Okay. Now, match the 10 and the 12. When you have finished, tell me what you've seen. Good. The 10 pegs are what? Less than what? The 12 pegs. The 10 pegs are less than the 12 pegs. Good. Now going to the board. We are going to the board to match and then see how to compare one group of sets with another group of sets. Let's get there and see. What do we see here? These are what? Vowels. Good. These are vowels. These are vowels. And these are what? Cocks. Cocks. These ones, they lay eggs for us. Okay. Now let's match and see. This vowel moves to this cock. This also moves to this. The next one also moves to that. How many cocks didn't get a vowel? Look at 2. Okay, 2. These 2 cocks didn't get any vowel here. So it means the vowels here are what? The vowels here are what? Describe this for me. The vowels here are less than. Good. The vowels here are less than the cocks here. Let's all say it. The vowels are less than the cocks. Again, the vowels are less than the cocks. Are you okay? Good. If you are okay, then we're going to take our exercise books. We're going to take our exercise books and then do this work. Let's look at the squares here. How many squares do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Good. And how many circles do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have set A and B. Are you okay? Set A and B. Now we are going to match. We'll do this as our example, our first example. The square takes this, the next, okay. So how will we read? The squares are less than. So we write the squares, we write have you seen? The squares are less than the circles. The squares are less than the circles. Now, this is our example. We are going to copy this, and then you match the letters A to B. We are going to match letters A to the B. Are you okay? You match letter A with the B. Let's start the first one. So this A goes with the B. So you continue this as our classwork. We've done the first example. Then we are going to write this in our exercise books. So we have 1 and then 2. Okay. Do the writing correctly. The drawing's good. Now, so we have less than. Then compare these two groups, and then you do that for me. Okay. So you take this as our class exercise. We are comparing the chairs and the tables. We compare the chairs and the tables. So we have this. Use the arrows. When you have finished with this, we move to the apples and the leaves. Are you okay? We also match this. So let's start drawing. We have exercise 1, exercise 2. We have exercise 1 and then exercise 2. draw in your exercise books as I come round to see your work. Draw neatly. Do neat work, yes, Take your time and then use the arrows. Okay. Yes, now copy neatly. Good. Good. Now when we have finished with this, the class work, when we have finished with this, we take the letters A, B as our homework. Take your time neatly and then do that. Are you okay? Right. Hello. Continue. Now look at me. Let's go over what we've just done. We are going over what we've just done. Count the pegs that I picked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have 5 pegs in the left hand. Let's look at the right hand too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What can you stop? How can you describe my set? My left hand has what? My left hand has less pegs than my right hand. Good. My left hand has less pegs than my right hand. So my left set has less members. The members here are less than. The members here are what? Less than the members in my right hand. The members in my left hand are what? Less than the members in my left hand. Good, children. So soon our time is up. We are going to do our homework and then we revise some exercises that we've done. We'll meet again to continue. See you. Stay blessed. Wear your nose mask. Wash your hands under running water. Use the tissue to clean. Hand sanitize your hand. And then keep a distance when you are in a crowd. Bye-bye.